selling about the $1.5 million ticket, so we're not going to buy.
Sha'carri Richardson in full.
One beach at bat. I'm a wifey.
She say to move fast. Fuck up in your anger, let them in nice style in a sister then laugh. The guy bird and you fly past if you want to dance, then buy one class. Ouch, you can't fuck them up one look out. Me a sweat cause they white them a talk to me. Them pill don't selling in a pharmacy. But them never a drink.
Box cover, welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. I have to go and say big up to all of the people them y'all have been supporting the latest social media countdowns as well as the answer this segment. So, really appreciate it. And this is a reminder that I'm trying to head to the 300,000 subscriber mark. So if you're watching and you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Come on, burritos. Y'all know you're enjoying the content, so just subscribe, man. Why me have to beg I beseech each and every week. But anywho, let's get into this week's. Oh, before I jump that, I'm actually sporting another eyewear. Yes, man, another eyewear piece courtesy of I Spy 876. Me tell you say each and every week for the rest of the month, me I gotta rock another frame. So yes, man, this is the third frames. Okay, so go and go support them at I Spy 876 to cop one of your own. All right. Let's get into this week's top 10 social media countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, SWH, me dancing dynamites. Okay, so burritos. So recently, say the TikTokers, World Dog, Swissly, and Artitube, they were at it because of some commotion. They had a big disagreement, and the whole of TikTok say I heard about it. But it seems as if they are back on the right track. They are all friends again. Yes, man, the amigos are back together, and they are bringing it yet again in true Ed and Eddie style. Take a look. I'm too experienced to be taken for a stroll. Too experienced for some. Oh God, me look like I'm supposed to be a lab technician. Oh God, Jesus Christ. Honestly, I do not know where they keep getting these suits. I purchased them off of Amazon.
There's poor people around.
Or do they have their own tailor a week time? Because this, no man, another regular degla, them type of them long time 1970s suit, them outfit, they come like it come at the bottom of the barrel with the camphor ball smell and all of these things. But burritos, I'd like for you to tell me what you think of them linking up back together and doing their dances as usual. Sound off in the comments below. Box cover, you've asked and I've answered. The Dutty Berry promo special is back. So if you have a product or a service that needs urgent advertising, please link us today. We have two tiers. That is the mention, the social media countdown mention for only $60 USD. What do you get? A special mention of your brand during the big up segment or a random video of the week. Then if you want a more detailed promo, you want to go into the full nitty gritty of your company and your product, then you will get your own segment within the social media countdown for just $230 USD. And as a bonus, you get one story post on the Dutty Berry Show's Instagram page. So listen to me now. Don't be watching the video and sitting down on the idea and do not link me. Link me right now. Okay? Don't delay. All right? Anyway, back into the countdown right now. Bye-bye. Number 9, funeral broke out. Mid-off cut. Okay, burritos now. Jesus P, man. Me I tell you, Jamaican people, uno just never cease to amaze me. Honestly, I don't even know what to say. But, a funeral was being had, and I guess the people, they decided to not mourn. They decided to just gallivant and go on with themselves at the repast. Take a look. No man, over grandmother this or over big auntie this, because honestly, like that woman should have the gyration right in a fair waistline. This a come from her heart and her soul. You know, like when keep it and that about. We love the man she want in her heart. Yeah man, in a fair heart or in a fair part, that a come from somewhere else. Like me, if you wonder what kind of relationship she did after the deceased. but honestly, I just think it depends on the type of family you have and the type of vibe, and I guess how they chose to honor the person. Because maybe the person who passed off at them type of real excitement there they would have wanted. So in a for them own way, maybe this is the way how they saw it best to honor the person who passed. Like, but burritos, would you feel comfortable carrying on like this? Sound off below. Number 8, R.I.P. Jill. Okay, burritos, so the wife of the executive chairman of the Sandals Resorts, Adam Stewart, has passed. That is Jill Stewart. She was diagnosed with cancer over a year ago, and she has been putting up quite a fight. We saw her journey. Adam and herself, they've been very open, you know, documenting what has been going on and her process. And many of us who saw have been rooting for her and hoping for a miracle, some sort of breakthrough. And once again, that C word just, boy, is one of the, it just, honestly, it's like, I don't know, it's like so many wonderful souls and just like people have gone because of that darn word. You know, it just devastating, just tragedy after tragedy, and we've just been losing so many incredible people. They've been together for 28 years. That's his wife. That's his best friend. And I know people might be looking and say, boy, I'm going to feel sorry for them because they're wealthy. But at the end of the day, this is a love story. This is a family being ripped apart. And I just have to say, no more strength to Adam, because this can't easy. But the lucky thing, I guess, in this is that he might have had time to prepare. And I'm sure he and his wife would have had conversations leading to this day. And so I guess just understanding how to navigate, maybe it will be helpful for him at this time. But that is just that. So I know the whole of the Sandals family is feeling this, and the people who were within their circles, we know them are real feet, and just the loved ones who saw online and saw her journey and was really just hoping for some sort of breakthrough. But you know how the C word they said, but big up yourself, Jill, same way you put in a fight, and just continued prayers and strength to your family at this time, all right? This random video of the week is sponsored by iSpy 876, offering stylish, trending, and fashionable prescription frames for men, women, and children. Consulting and fitting available. Please reach out to them by calling or WhatsApping 876-303-5045 and visit their Instagram page at iSpy 876. Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
Hey, for it's a large. Why your father leave? Like, there's 2 questions, 2 we can answer. So you could just keep the peace, no? Just life.
Number 7, Shelly, preements. Me icona. Okay, me readers know. So the good girl Dolly, Shelly, and Fraser Price was there at the national trials competing. Yeah, man, she come second in our 200-meter events. But anywho, what really went viral was in I guess a post-race interview where she was there talking about her son and his future in track and field. There was a staff member, yes man, that it seems as if he was assigned to Shelly and Fraser, but he was very much scanning and bodyguarding that pocket rocket body. Take a look.
Track and field hard, that's why I work so hard for it. Anything you want, actually. Even actually not even like her. You ever see one let me down.
So that's why you have to go into the race?
No, him like football and swimming. And his mother can't swim, so you know.
No, honestly, the brother looked like him just come out of prison and the first thing buck up and I look good Dolly. Like he was very like
I'm with that.
Not even a hungry belly traffic police has ever done a spot check like this. No man, like do you see how closely he was looking? No man, them eyeballs they scary man, like them. And you know the funny thing about it is that the brother could have just did it as a observe and as a do him job, you know, and him not understand what him face is actually coming across like. Him could have just did it and I look on her and I say, boy, you know, she look nice and stuff. But some people face, it just give warning. Like some people have a particular face. It's like once them look, it just look intense. And boy, oh boy, like brother, you have to just mindful of your face because maybe it will make some people afraid. But I think he was just appreciating the darling Shelly and Fraser. You get me? But like, man, yeah, man, this did burn up social media. You see, if you know Shelly and Fraser Price, you know that there's a reason why Conscience mentioned her in the song, yeah.
Bend down like Shelly in the starter block.
Yeah, man, because Shelly have a...
Money fit like Shelly, Olympic time.
Yeah, man. She have a little... Yeah. She walk with a little Venn diagram around there, you get me? She have a little... Yeah, a little quarter pound of chicken. Yeah, man. A little roast duck. She have the little... Yeah, man, Shelly, yeah. But burritos, let me know, what did you make of his eye contact? Sound off below. Number 6, Malie Donn battled. Mistake show. Okay, burritos, so dancehall artist Malie Donn, he was at Teen Fest in Ochi. Yes, man, he was there and he went up on stage to perform when this happened. Take a look.
Oh my God!
Jesus Pim, no, what in this thing is happening? No, if you don't know who Malie Donn is, he's a, up and coming dancehall artist. He have quite a fan base, but what people really know him for besides his hits is the feud between him and Pablo YG. We saw a bit of that at Sting, and we know so the two of them have their very strong-headed fan bases. So him performing in Ochi, when really and truly that is that's Pablo YG's turf. That's what I'm hearing according to the streets. And so it look like say Pablo's fans or some strong supporter was in the audience and never take too kindly to Malie Donn being in their camp. And so them hurled the battles them, and as you can see from this shot, people had to run for cover. But in the midst of this, Malie Donn step up there, like he's a strong soldier, and he's just like, listen, any backer can come to my face because my back is tall. I'm not gonna make you realize that I am afraid.
But me not fear.
Because just like what Atana said,
no, I'm not afraid.
Yeah, man, fully bad. And so now, me don't know the type of energies we are going right now, because this I set a stage for when Pablo YG might go perform a Bday. You know, want the same type of thing go happening in the crowd in the name of retaliation. And so this does not spell well for dancehall at all, because people in attendance could have been severely hurt. And so when you hear about no major casualties, and so that is very good, but like dancehall have to do better, man. Have to do better, because this is what people tend to use against dancehall. Because when you go to some of the other shows, them like, the Protege shows, you don't really see these type of things happening, but most of the time with the dancehall events, man, you always have these sort of controversies and these moments that I feel really is keeping back the genre. So, for the artists, then please just appeal to the supporters, appeal to the base to just kind of load certain things, because it is very unnecessary. I know half of the times it's not because of the artist that has given these instructions. Sometimes you just have fans who are very passionate, and when everybody they're at the party and under them vibes, people will do things like this. But readers, let me know what is your stance on this matter. What do you think should happen now? You think Pablo YG needs to come out and say something? Do you think Malie Donn needs to just leave this alone? Sound off in the comments down below. Number 5, Shacarri nips Shericka. Me oh no. Okay, burritos. So Sha'carri Richardson, boy, she has been having quite a comeback year. Like this very controversial athlete, we know her from when she was talking a bunch of things and was stuck at 9th place. But as many of us who really into track and field did see the saw coming, we knew that once she kind of shut her mouth and just kind of ease back, we could have focused on her talent. And so the talent is definitely rising above the water right now, and it is for all of us to see. And so she's been having a spectacular run so far. She is undefeated, and she is keeping it that way because, she met up with Shericka at the Diamond League event in Poland. Shacarri got the better of her again.
And they're straight away, and Svoboda does get a good start. Jackson alongside her. Now Sha'carri Richardson in full stride. She will get to the line, and she will take the win, beating Jackson over the final 20 meters. They say it's a photo finish, Otto, but that is Sha'carri Richardson's race, and she has won it.
Honestly, I just came out here, had some fun, great competition. I was definitely looking forward to racing all of the ladies, especially the birthday girl. Anytime we line up, it's an amazing race. My training partner, Tita Terry, all of the ladies in the race are amazing. And just, keep lining up, keep perfecting my craft, and keep going. Thank y'all, I'm having fun. Peace, love, and light.
Okay, all right, Shacarri. Okay, so what? Okay, you won. You beat her again. Okay, I don't care.
We don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
You don't care? you think me care? I have a business. Honestly, I'm just focusing on Shericka's start. Like, that is what I'm focusing on. Because Shericka was out there. Honestly, right now, I think Shericka does say, I'm going to kill up myself. The Dally have to conserve because I focus on World Championships right now. So, Shacarri, if you want to kill up yourself right now, dear look at thing, mama. Dear look at thing. I just want to know so I get my start and me good after that.
Yes!
You get me? So, I not really watch no face, but what really, let me give it a time now. So, Shericka, finished second place in 10.78 seconds, and Shacarri won the race in 10.76 seconds. So, yeah, man, that was just very close, but it's very impressive. Like, I'm very impressed with Shacarri's finish, and I'm very impressed with Shericka's start. Like, you can tell that she's put some serious work into her start. But, boy, oh boy, like, I honestly, just look forward to this because Talu, impressive. You get me? We still not see what Shelly and I do this season yet in the 100 meters, but you can never count Shelly and Fraser Price out. Because from what I saw in that 200 meters, you see that first 100 that Shelly and do, speedometer burn up right there, so. Speedometer burn up right there, so I'm very eager to see what she will deliver this year in the 100 meter. And Shericka, I do her thing, but boy, oh boy, it look like we can do the clean sweep again, It look like Jamaica can get this clean sweep in the 100 meters, so we have some competition right there, so say a sub pressure season, so we have to go put a foot to the metal. Are the metal? Are the medal? Are the pedal? I don't know how the saying go. I want to tell me in the comments down below. But Berritos, who do you think will come out on top at this year's World Championships in the women's 100 meters? Number 4, egg problems. My breakfast. Okay, Berritos now. So, boy, I'm going to talk about another, Let's Be Honest podcast. Like that is the podcast that is hosted by Jeffrey. So, it seems as if he's going to have a continuing guest host by the name of Walk and Talk, because Walk and Talk, he's just a vibrant personality. He has stories for days. It's just one of them gimmicks, man, there that you will just listen, talk about any and everything. He's just that entertaining. And so he was back again, yes, man, on the Jeffrey podcast. And this time he detailed the story about when one woman come at me yard and basically name off him food. Take a listen.
You know a girl married? Imagine nothing now go on. And she said to me, come on, Maxi, she want to come stay and the wire go on. I said, yeah, man. Forward, man, because I don't know. Yeah. Brother, a week time I'm about to buy, because me alone live 6 egg, 6 frankfurter. Buy the small bread them, because I don't want next bread them. Because sometimes I need to eat breakfast. Right? But nothing really now go on, because I don't know. My transmission and my car get jammed and I got sand, so nothing to do now. But you don't know. She there on. You know, mother? Get up on early morning, but on Tuesday, man, I forgot. Jeffrey and fry 5 eggs out of the 6. So I come in, I come say that you know. Look upon them and say, when I go home, am I really fry some egg them? No, seriously. Jeffrey, am I really fry some egg them?
5 eggs!
Yeah, she makes
5 eggs!
Scramble.
Yo, it come like Walk and Talk feel pain in every language right there. So no man, it's serious, man. Nothing hurt like when you have your mind on food and you look and you realize, say, Jesus P, me never have no conscience. You're terrible. You're terrible right there, so man. You could have, you're there for your yard. You can't go out strong with 5 eggs.
I'm not invite you to go nowhere again.
5 out of the 6. You don't take 1 or 2. You got 5. Listen, I do not make the rules. There's an unsaid rule. When you go around somebody and them offer say them are going to cater for you and them say them are going to pay for something, the first thing that you do is gauge where them are going to buy, where them are going to get. and you kind of put yours in the same vicinity, in the same region. So you go around somebody and the people them say, yo, I am going to get 3 cheese patties. You can go there now and say you want 10. It no works so. It no go so. You're supposed to go close. So if them say they're going to get 3 patty, you say, here what, give me 1 and a cocoa bread. Or give me 2 patty. You can't just rush out so now and say, yo, give me 5 patty and give me 1 2-piece chicken, 1 large soda, 1 fries, and 1 Smirnoff ice to go with it. You can't do that. And that's how it work. So you come the man yard, you have to kind of see what go on. You can't just rush out so strong, man. I saw the rules set. But my readers, let me know, how would you react if this happened to you? Sound off below.
And now it is time for the Big Up segment.
Alright, so first of all, the Big Up segment, I have to say big up to Shericka Read on the relaunch of her podcast, TK Redirection. Yes, man, season 2, back at it again. She'll take a little time off, but now she is back. So big up Shericka, always doing great things.
People like me don't last this long.
Season 2 of the Redirection with Shericka podcast is brought to you by MasterCard in association with Heineken 00.
Alright, so the next person I have to go and big up is Charm Creations. Now, it's a young lady that I book up on TikTok. I was doing a live and she came on. I see her green ear. I say, no, man, my girl full of too much personality. And when we look behind her, because you know me fast, I recognize that she had a lot of teddy bears and some stuff there. So I say, why you have all of that? And she tell me, say, she actually makes them. She uses her and she creates them. And I love the stuff them look a little bit out of the ordinary. And so I tell her, say, you know what? I forgot promo your thing because I see your vibe, I like your vibe, and I like say you are a young woman in an entrepreneurship, so I forgot I like you. So yeah, get ready for this now. Tracy and Jax, the owner of Charm Creations Co. LLC, is a digital artist and crafter. She makes handmade crafts and is currently focused on the crochet, plushie, stuffed animals and characters. Now you see, if you want one of these right here or right here, as well as right here, you can purchase your very own at www.charmedcreationsco.com right here. So I can also find her if you want to go purchase any of these items on Etsy, as well as her social media right here. Here is my challenge to Charm right now. I actually want one to look like me. So Charmed, if you watch this, you can create a Dutty Berry one where you look kind of favorish to me, but just make it look like nice and things, all right? All right, thank you very much. Number 3, Baron X Jada Kingdom. Wow! Okay, my readers know, so Burna Boy has been in Jamaica because he's celebrating his birthday. You know, he had his concert some months ago, and it seems as if he's fallen in love with Jamaica, and so the brother is returning quite often. And yeah, so take a look at some of those highlights. Okay, yeah, so we'll see my enjoy birthday, have food, all kind of things up on stage. I learn drift dance and all of that. But what many people are talking about is his budding relationship, his alleged relationship with Miss Jada Kingdom herself. Now, we saw some time ago with Jada putting up a Birkin bag where she talk about the fact say if a man like her, I forgot buy her a Birkin. And we see her sport one chain where people are say it belongs to you know, Burna Boy himself. And so now, the rumors, it seems as if it will get closer to an official confirmation because Burna Boy teamed up with Byron Messiah recently, and we hear a little piece of song where he mentioned, say, Jada Kingdom have the GPP. Fit true. Take a listen.
That is it.
When gal good, whoa. When gal good, yeah. When gal good, lad. When gal good, wow. Jada Kingdom, what a way you applying the pressure upon Steph London neck. No, honestly, right about now, I love Steph London. Like Steph London, Don't make nobody come join in no more Jada Kingdom Burna Boy drama. Make sure you move on, you enjoy your life and all of these things here remain unbattered. But this little thing right now, it look like say Burna Boy have a little thing for the Jamaican flavor them. Him love the little Jamaican sauce. There's something about a Jamaican good girl. The little attitude, the little, where from you say to my business boy, yo? I think Burna Boy like the little something there. There's something about the little Jamaican attitude, the little bad girl attitude there. Where Burna Boy like. And so he is here constantly scouting, surveilling, just like the brother we did a pre-out, Shelly and Fraser Price. But Burritos, let me know, are you here for a relationship with Jada Kingdom and Burna Boy? Honestly, Jada, if this is going to go on, make sure you say secure that collaboration. Make sure you secure that collaboration, because you say just like Tony and Sing and Popcorn, yeah man, collaboration, name for call up in a song. That me I say Jada Kingdom, name for be a song title right there so. Because Tony and set the standard right there so you know, say Jada, you have to say, yeah man, I hope you have some preements there. Alright, Burritos, let me know what you think of their possible relationship. Sound off below. Number 2, couple up, me appearing. Okay, what do I say about this one, people? Love exists. Love is here for us all. All right, that is all I have to say. But take a look at this lovely couple.
We don't have man to walk with on beach at bat. I'm a wifey. I'm not a girlfriend. No. You have to love me with my hair up. And you have to love me with my hair down. And you have to love me when I'm sweet. And you have to love me when I'm stink. He's obligated to mine. And I'm obligated to him. This is my lover. Look at it. Look at the boy. He's old enough, and I'm older than him, and look for me and look for him. Full of wrinkle and me not none. Jaja.
No man, at this point in time, I feel wonder if the man can understand what she has said, because the way she talks so confidently, right in his face, she not even do this behind him back, you know. She talk fully confident, so I feel wonder like, is he able to make out what she's saying? But my girl, as I listen, you know, I'm not have to dolly down. I'm not have to dolly down. You take it or you leave it. This is what you have, and this is what you have to keep. Because this is what I'm bringing to the table. You get me? You don't have nowhere to go. You don't know where to go. We're in this together, High School Musical. You're not left. Yeah, man, if you left, it's not my fault. Burritos, what you thought of this woman's message? Sound off below.
This is Original Coffee and you're watching the Dutty Berry Show. Dutty Berry are coming like a rapture. Yeah.
And number 1 goes to Chris Brown concert. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number 1 goes to Chris Brown's concert in Jamaica. Yes, man. All right, so people, word on the street, the news is out. The information is out that the R&B superstar Chris Brown himself will be performing in Kingston, Jamaica on August 28th for a concert called Chris Brown and Friends. Now, who are the friends, you might ask? Yeah, man, the friends over here is Sean Kingston, TJ, and Ding Dong. Yeah, man, so, you know, Chris Brown, he's set up to be the headliner, of course, and he'll be bringing on some people. You know, may I wonder if I'm going to bring up like Conscience and Elephant Man, because, you know, Chris Brown, the last time he performed was probably about over 10 years ago, where he was dancing with Elephant Man as well as Usher. Yeah, man, Jamaica has had quite some big acts to step on these local shores. So, Chris Brown, it's been a while. And so he has a lot of Jamaican fans, so we know that the people are willing to pay whatever it takes to make sure so that they see this amazing performer in concert. Yes, man, but I don't know if they plan for pay some of this costing. Because what many are debating and talking about is the cost of these tickets, because it seems as if on a Beyonce alone, I rush out with some strong prices that we will have to pay to see the amazing artists up close. So let me just give you what the ticket prices are. Sensei Bleachers, way around a one part, way around a there, it'll start at 6,750 Jamaican dollars. Yes, man, round there. So we're looking at the list. Yes, man, we're looking and moving our way right along. We're going next to Grandstand. Grandstand is $11,000, $11,250. Yes, $11,250. That is the cost for Grandstand. Then we're going to go to Blue. That is General VIP. Right there, so now the ticket price jump. That is 26,250. 26,250 Jamaican dollars. Then green, that is VIP, 41,250. We are going at the rent price, them, you know. We are growing at the grocery list for the month, you know. So we reach Indigo, that is you, Ultra VIP, that is 71,250. Jesus Christ, over 71,000. Mighty God, ain't good to just call it 70,000 and done. Then we go to the Cabana Suite. Now, this is where you come with your friend and your floss and you go out with yourself now because you want the people them to say you're mean girls and them cannot sit with you. Because you're creme de la creme. You know, mix and mingle with nobody where you go and shop off a sheen. This is where you carve out a little space for yourself and say, yeah man, we are it. We have the honesty, we are live life, we are traveling, all of these things like we are take plane like taxi. Them sort of people you know, so here for them cost. 750,000. Them that have the 250 pound is $750,000. Yes, Jesus P man. Jamaican dollars, you know, man. This is a little broke down vehicle money, you know, my God. then you go to the ultimate one now. This is the Sky View Suite. No, I do not know if this is on top of one cloud. Where them give you like a full 360, like you're gonna see the concert like say they on one cloud and ride on one drone. I don't know if that will go on right here. So, but this, guess what the cost is? 1.5 million Jamaican dollars.
When? Which part of what?
Yeah, man, 1.5 million Jamaican dollars. Oh, Lord.
Ooh, wow.
Oh, Lord. So, you know, the Jamaican people right there and then, you know, like, I forgot to start for spoof this. You know the memes are going to emerge. And so we saw several creators dropping out with memes like this.
Poor people. I don't even know why they let them in. Oh.
And then in the middle of it now, you have a loan company now that rush out and said that they'll be giving loans so that the fans can come out and support this concert.
Alright, you see, for those of us complaining about the $1.5 million tickets so we're not gonna buy, can we stop please? Like, the people that know them target audience, and I promise you it's not me and it's not you out here that is complaining about the 750,000 and the 1.5 million, because I promise you somebody is going to buy them. It is outside of our tax brackets. I wouldn't need to argue about it. $6,750 did it too. And that's in our tax bracket side that we are looking at. We're going to stop complaining about the people them tickets or they cannot afford to buy.
Oh wow, no, honestly, like Jamaican people, Uno is something else. But here what? I feel like Uno need to look on the 1.5 million because that is not for you. I think that there's a tier for everyone and for everyone's budget and pocket. And remember, you know, you're gonna have some people who come from foreign and all kind of other places to see Chris Brown live in action. So when them have for them English pound and for them type of, you know, US currency and Taps and Roses type of money, them probably can't afford it. And so what y'all have to do is just to focus on listen. If a bleachers me can't afford, you just work with that. And that is quite fine, but just don't look on that because the people who have the budget, trust me, they will be able to afford it and afford it comfortably.
I beg your pardon?
Yeah, Chrissy, what going on? Mel. Yeah, must say you come Jamaica August the 27th. But I wonder if you could have fixed up something for me and my friend them, because I see the price for your tickets them, and I wonder if you have a mistake Dubai for Jamaica, because you don't know. We're not too habits and we are work, but we're not work. And when me and my friend them would have won, got the ticket cost 1.5 mil. So I say, if you could have sued, you could have do for you. Because you know we're number one fan and thing. Yeah, as about 10 hours, so see what you could have do for you. Because we not have it, you don't know. We say Chris Brown and Chris Brown say we from birds, you know that. From ooh yeah, you say yeah, no I gotta see ya. It was about 5 minutes ago.
But like, I'm very much looking forward to seeing what Chris Brown will bring because him have that Jamaican type of flavor that I'm sure that a lot of people will be eager to see. He knows how to work a room, and trust me, him have whole heap of hits. Jamaican people love Chris Brown no matter what because his music has been a part of the journey and our life experiences, especially for a lot of the millennials. And so, yeah, man, looking forward to the concert. Hopefully I get to be there. And, you know, I don't know if Chris Brown is going to interview, because, you know, sometimes the artists them, but it would be nice to chat to him or, you know, do some look of content there. So let's just see. But trust me, this is going to be quite a magical night because everybody and their mother is going to break their neck to be at this show. But my question is, I wonder if it's going to pull up more people than the Burna Boy concert. You don't think so? Y'all think say Chris Brown gonna bring up more people than Burna Boy? Me I bet my money right here, so you can let me know in the comment section down below. All right. Well, that's it, people. We've come to the end of another Top 10 Social Media Countdown. If you enjoyed this countdown, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you didn't enjoy it, just hit the thumbs up button. Support a black youth doing thing. All right. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part, as well as to comment and subscribe. Share the video, man. Remember to share the video and to subscribe. Follow me on all my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown and to reach out to me for hosting, etc., send me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. And yes, I can announce it right now that the Dutty Berry Show team will be at Reggae Sumfest this year. So for all of the man to go be a business them, we want a special feature. While we are there, you know, we can only accommodate 10 people. So the 10 people them for reach out first and say, Berry, promo time while we are in the city. You're going to be a part of this special package. So just reach out to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com with the subject Sumfest. Okay, so we know that this is a special thing for you. Anyway, take care until next time, but make sure to say tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay, bye-bye.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.